Well, the first thing we're going to do before we do any image capturing is set the image capture output type. To do this, we click in the top left, the M3 icon, then we select the logout function. We're going to log in as a supervisor and key in the supervisor password. Once we're logged in as the supervisor, because we logged out, we have to re-home the machine. So we'll do a homing sequence here real quick. Home was successful. Now we'll go to the M3 icon in the top left again, and this time we click on settings. That's the round gear on the third icon down on the right. We'll go to video, and we got at the bottom here, and I'll point to it with my mouse, image archive image file type. It defaults to bitmap, but here we can change it from bitmap to JPEG to PNG, PNG, or otherwise known as portable network graphics, and TIFF. We're going to go with JPEG. Now on JPEG, it's important to note the archive image JPEG quality. For most applications, 80% is sufficient. However, you may wish to increase this to 100% to make sure it's totally lossless. Hit done, and done. Now what I'm going to do is measure these contacts. I measured lines across each one of the contacts. Now between each line I'm going to construct a distance measure. We'll do this from the part view. Okay, now my distance measures have been constructed. I'm going to go into annotation mode. To go into annotation mode, I click on the pencil, and here's my part view. I can annotate it. For now, I'm going to leave it in auto, and I'm going to touch on this contact here, which will give me that distance measure, then the next one after that, and the next one after that. I can also, at this stage, if I have the M3 software, apply text. I just click on the text icon, and with my finger I can alter the size of a text box. I can key in my text from the keyboard, and I can point the arrow to anywhere I wish. I can change the color of the box. We'll leave it on green, and I can alter the font size by clicking on the small a or capital A. To save this, I simply hit the save icon here. That has now saved that out as a JPEG file. Let me minimize my M3, and I've got my settings to save out to the desktop, and here is my JPEG file saved out. This is how you do image capturing or image archiving in the M2 and M3 software packages.